I'm Ryan Whitney, Head of Product Development here at Good World Solutions in Oakland, California. At Good World Solutions, we envision a world where everyone works in a safe and respectable workplace. We do this primarily through focus surveys run through mobile phones using interactive voice response technology. The mix of the phone and the automated recording makes people feel more comfortable to give actual insight. Based on the responses that we get, we further analyze, clean the data, and then develop actionable analytics for our customers to create the change in the workplaces for a better environment. A key part of our work is to also keep the confidentiality of the people that we survey. So we put a lot of emphasis on keeping that the data that we collect is anonymized. We never share our phone numbers with other customers. We never share our phone numbers with any other outside entities, and we never provide results that would ever be able to identify a worker, specifically an individual. We do this through the delivery of our surveys. What we generally do is we'll do what we call a baseline survey, and this is to get sort of a pulse of what's going on in the factory about the given topic. From there, we'll produce analytics to identify key areas that customers, either the brand or the factory themselves, can implement to improve the conditions for the worker. Based on that, we will generally run a follow-up survey anywhere from 6 to 12 months later to check to see if any changes have been made and how that's actually affecting the workers. We do this as we believe the way to a better and more respectful workplaces by working directly with brands and factories themselves. We take a representative sample of the workplace in order to understand what's going on of the population as a whole. That data that when provided is to give voice to the worker, to both just the factory and the brand name, to understand what's going on and what measures they may take to improve the working conditions for the worker. When companies engage with us, they may have either an idea that something's going on, or they may just want to try to understand a measure to understand what are the major problems within or potential issues that a factory has. As we run these focus topics, what this generally does will raise, if there are issues, will raise potential issues that a factory or brand name should look into and look to create a remediation plan to resolve. The other thing that we do is we also can, especially for a factory and also brands, to look at a supply chain and really compare how they're doing to others in the industry as like a benchmarking stat, to really try to understand if are they a top performer? Are they providing better working conditions, more efficient across the supply chain, or are they potentially lacking in some areas? And our hope is with our data is to show where they can go in to improve, to bring them up to meet the same level as their other competitors.